Hi, my name is Kyle Fredmonsky. I am the shop lead at P2P Manufacturing in Streetsboro, Ohio, and today I'll be answering questions about my job. Elijah from Berea Mid Park Middle School in Middleburg Heights asked, "Do you like your job?" Yes, I do like my job. I've grown up in the world and I like working with metal, seeing how it moves every single day. Then he also asks, "Do you like where you work?" Yes, I like where I work. I work with my father every day. So I get to not only work in the industry and do what I love to do, I get to also work with family. Raid from Roxborough Elementary in Cleveland Heights wanted to know, what is it like to work in the steel industry? It is very dirty. You gotta like getting your hands dirty every single day. It is very taxing on your body depending on what you're doing in the steel industry. And you gotta be careful what you do with your hands where you walk because you will be able to cut yourself very easily. Landon from Eastwoods Intermediate in Hudson wanted to know, what's your favorite part of your job? The favorite part of my job is getting to see how many different parts we make throughout the day and just seeing how the part comes together. So I get to see it from when it comes in as steel to when we cut it to when we form it to whatever other process we get to a finished product. He also asks, what does your day-to-day work look like? So my day-to-day personally changes every single day. But on the average day, we get in about 6 a.m. in the morning and we leave around 3:30 or 4:30 in the afternoon. And we come in and we get the laser up and running, getting our press brakes up and running, and then all of us guys on the floor have our task, whether it's left over from the day prior or what new items we have to do, and then we do those items throughout the day. Ruby from Sydney Fenn Elementary in Medina asked, how experienced are you? I am only 22 and I have been in the industry for 6 years full time. I started working full time on job placement my junior year of high school through the trade school, and so I have 6 years of full-time experience, but I have had experience a lot younger than that. Christopher from Little Miami Elementary in Morrow asked, is there a number of years that workers have to train in order to become a steel industry worker? For our company specifically, you do not have to have any sort of experience. You just have to have the ability to learn. And we like to see that there's some mechanical background that you have, or like you like building things or doing things with your hands. So those are positive things that we look for in an interview. But as far as training goes, we have taken 2 of our guys currently on the floor that have never been in our industry, and they've been having the ability to learn, and we have taught them how to run the equipment safely, and they run it good now. So you don't necessarily need to have any training to start. Nyla from Chardon Hills STEM School in Euclid wanted to know, why did you choose to do this job? So I chose to do this job because I was basically born into this world. My grandfather had a sheet metal stamping prototype business that my dad worked for, and I grew up as a little baby and a young kid going and seeing his shop and going around. And then when my dad left my grandfather's shop, he went to another sheet metal shop, and he was there for 20 years, I believe. So I grew up going there on my winter breaks, on my Thanksgiving breaks, going there and working with him and doing things like that, and I fell in love with it at a young age. She also asked, are you proud of what you do? Yes, I am proud of what I do. Like I was saying, I grew up in it, and it's something that I love to do every day. I love waking up, going to work, and doing things, even though that it can be long and taxing on my body.